Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 11 Craignoon Grove in Cellardyke. It's an amazing 4-bedroom detached villa, finished to an extremely high standard inside. It's on a huge plot and it's also in a cul-de-sac. This could be the perfect one for a family. Now, let me take you on this tour and I'll talk about all where this is in connection with everything else that you'd want if you don't know this area. Okay, let me take you around. Now, the first thing I noticed, the great thing about this, is it's got off-street parking to the front. This is huge. Look at the footprint of the side of that house, and then look at the length of that right along to here. That's what you've got all the way there for off-street parking. If you've got a camper van, an RV, you've got commercial vehicles, you can take them all off-road, more than likely. This is a great area to sit in the sun. There's a patio area over there as well, so perfect for sitting in the sun all day long, more or less, because you can just go out the back and catch the sun on the tiered garden to the rear as well. Integrated garage as well in here, so integral garage to the side. You can see that yourself. Up and over door you get access by, and then the seating area to the front, gates both side access on here and here as well. Let's go on the tour, and we're going to pop upstairs first of all. The one thing I notice about this when we walk in is a nice welcoming front hall. And then we pop upstairs, and then we're going to go on a rotation round here. So off to my right hand side, I'll start there first, 4 double bedrooms. So off to my right hand side, I have the first double bedroom, really good size. The great thing about this is they've all got integrated mirror wardrobes here in all these rooms. Love these doors. And then the next one, which is utilised as a home office. Love that writing desk. As we go round, it's a real good size as well. We'll go into our main bathroom, so you can see the WC, the sink, and the bath with the overhead thermostatic shower there. Love that tiling. And then next double bedroom, as we swing round, again we've got these mirror wardrobes behind the door itself. And then great thing is the storage upstairs in this cupboard. You've also got access to the roof space via that hatch. A bit of storage probably up there as well. Master bedroom ensuite here. Again, you've got these integrated mirror wardrobes. As we go round, that's a king more than likely. So that gives you a perspective of the size of the room. And then off into your ensuite shower room. So lovely finished ensuite shower room. It's like a wee show home this. And then you've got a thermostatic shower at the back of the door there to complete the upstairs tour. Just give you one last look at that big hallway upstairs, that upper landing. And then let's pop back downstairs. I'd be tempted to put a mirror in the, just check myself out first before I go out in the evening. Or I'm going out to do anything. Sitting room. Real good size sitting room. I like this. Beautiful, isn't it? And then the great thing as well, you've got an understairs cupboard there, so again you've got that storage to here. And as we leave, I'll just give you a look as we're leaving this room, and on to our dining kitchen. So real good space for dining over here. You can see the dining table with 4 chairs. I could think you could get easily 10 chairs, one either end, and then 4 each in the middle. You can probably easily get that in an elongated table if you took this away as well. This has got plenty, now you've got patio doors going into the rear, we're going to come back in through that way, but you've got plenty of storage in all these units. Now over here, you've got your dishwasher, you've got your freezer, and you've got your fridge, and then you've got plenty of space in that cupboard over to the rear there, and then as we come along, you've got the oven hob and extractor, and loads of cupboard space again. Lovely, isn't it? That's like, wow. I could just see that on Instagram. See that lovely picture? Just conjures up all these emotions. And you just got to have this. Now, off to the rear there, you've got the laundry. So you've got a real good sized laundry. You've got that going to the rear garden. Good sized laundry with a sink, space for, You could have easily have a washing machine and a dryer here. You've also got your WC off to the rear here. Now, good sized WC. There's plenty of space in here. I would be tempted, if it suits, to put a shower in that bit and actually just move that sink along to here, because it has got the space for it. I've seen people come in actually and have pets over here, you know, and have a wee shower so they can clean their pets up before they come in the house. That could be a wee great area for there. So again, good sized cupboard space in this laundry area. This is bigger than my first kitchen, by the way, in my flat. That probably shows you how big this is. And then out to the rear garden via this door. Now, what I love about this garden is it's tiered. You can see there as we come off to the rear, just at the rear there, they've got seating. Clearly that's going to be sitting in the sun all day long, because that's why it's perfectly positioned there. You've got loads of patio space and you've got that tiered garden to the rear, but loads of space as well. Now, you've got the gate to the side, you've got the gate to the other side, you've got a wee bit over there where the hens go and lay their eggs in here. Hello girls. The hens are just out today, having a great time. Love these sleepers. As we go up into this tiered upper garden, all the way along here, and as we pan right round again, you can see the sheer size of that house, and up there. Now, I suspect, good privacy here by the way, I suspect the sun is going to come up over here somewhere and go all the way around and come down over here somewhere. So it's going to be sitting in here all day long. But this is a huge garden, and if you combine that with the footprint of the property and then the actual footprint of the driveway and the front garden itself, this is a huge plot. And the great thing, as I said, is CUL-DE-SAC. So you're only coming here to visit somebody, or if you live here, because it's a no-through road for anybody else. So back in to the dining kitchen to finish off. And then we'll go off and I'll have a wee seat through here and just recap for people so they know where this area is in relation to everything else. Okay, so let's recap. 4-bedroom detached villa. You can see that master bedroom upstairs. You've got your bathroom upstairs as well. You've got a WC downstairs, potential to have a shower room. Plenty of storage all the way throughout. You've got that dining kitchen off to the rear with a laundry as well. And then you've got this huge plot that this is on. You know, as I said before, if you've got vehicles, you could easily get them all off street onto that driveway to the front there. Also in the back, sit in the sun all day long, as well as the front. So there is some opportunity at some point in the day where you could sit either side of this and be comfortably in the sunshine all day long. Perfect family home. 4 double bedrooms. Now, where is it in proximity to everything else? Well, just easy access out into the main road if you want to go back into the main shopping facilities. Short distance across to Wade Academy and Anstruther Primary as well. So fantastic schools for a family. Then also easy access as we'll walk down through this estate itself into Acorn Court. You go further on and you're down to the Fife Coastal Path, the harbour, the beach. Open water swimming at the Cellardyke Tidal Pool, again walking distance round the corner. If cold water swimming is your thing for your mental health, this is the place for you to be. It's very, very idyllic. Welcome to God's country. Anyway, there's more information on this post and the details on the link. You can just click on that and it'll tell you it'll show you the photographs and the main descriptions as well. If you need to contact us, you can phone us on 01333 421 774, or you can message us direct on this post. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.